Hi, I'm Tamir from TadiBrothers, and in this video I will show you how to trim the neck of the digital backup camera cable so that it fits through your U-bracket. Before we get started, I want to give you 2 pointers. The first one is bench test everything. It'll give you a better understanding of how the system works, mounts, and it'll make the installation quicker and cleaner. The other tip is we're using knives here. So just be careful not to cut yourself. Just take your time, do it slowly, and remember, if you do somehow mess it up or cut the cable somehow, give us a call. We'll swap it for you. It's not a big deal. You're covered under the warranty, and we're making a video telling you to do it. So you have nothing to worry about. Just take it easy, and it'll be fine. So the problem we're trying to solve here is the issue with the neck here being too thick to fit through the U-bracket. So if you see right here, put this through. Oops. Like that, and then the other one right here. You have an issue where this won't fit through. Okay, so some people we've seen some of our customers actually enlarge this hole here, which is fine. You won't void the warranty if you do it. Other people just cut it through here. It's a little easier because you probably have the tools to do that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and we'll try it. I'll just do it with you guys here. The SKU number of this camera, this digital camera, which works usually with the 90113 or the 90137, but the camera SKU is 44902 on the TadiBrothers website. Okay, so here, let me get started with this thing here. So I'm going to take these clips that I have, and I'm going to start trimming it. Okay, so what I do is I'm going through the corners, like this. Like that. Okay. Don't worry about how it looks. No one's going to see it, and also you could clean it up with a file or something afterwards. Just make sure to hold the wires like that so you don't come close to cutting the wires. Okay? Here we go, like this. Alright, got 2 more corners to go. We'll try it like that, and then if that doesn't fit, we'll trim it more. There's plenty of beef to cut here. Right there. Clean up a little bit. Alright. Remember, this will still stay 100% waterproof and weatherproof and sunproof and all that stuff. These cameras are built to last. Here we go. Okay, let's try it now. See, I've trimmed all 4 sides. Let's see if it fits, and if not, we'll trim it a little more. Right here. Okay, there you go. Fits right there. All I did was trim the corners on each one of these. This is how it looks. You still have a lot of room to trim before you get to any kind of exposed wire. But just start with the corners and it'll work fine for you. Like that, and now you can mount the camera straight back like this if you want, and because you have this long bracket, the antenna won't affect it, so you could get the perfect angle to get that view that you're looking for. Just mount it in where you want, leave a little slack so you can move the camera if you want to, and you're good to go. Okay, again, this thing applies to the SKU number 44902. That's for the camera itself. So if you wanted to add a second camera, that's what the SKU number you would go to. The main SKUs for these systems is the 90113 and the 90137. Also, here are a couple of pictures showing you how it would look when you're cutting it. Just a couple of close-ups right there. Okay, and finally, if you purchased our Furrion bracket, if you're mounting this, if you already have a vehicle with a half moon bracket, right, pre-wired for the Furrions, the SKU number for that adapter is 53246. That'll allow this camera right here to mount onto this plate that we give you, and that will go onto the bracket, the half moon bracket that you have on the back of your vehicle. It's really simple to do it, so if you have that, I recommend doing it. Again, that SKU number is 53246, and at this point, I think you know how to take the neck of the digital cable and put it through your U-bracket. For more tech support, or if you're still not feeling comfortable, or anything that you need, give us a call at 866-966-5550. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this video helped. If you're still shopping, pop over to TadiBrothers.com or give us a call. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.